Want to attract more birds to your garden? Wondering how to make your green space a haven for feathered friends? Birds play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Stay tuned as we delve into practical and easy-to-follow tips to make your garden a bird paradise. The first step to attracting birds begins with your plant selection. Opt for flora native to your region. These plants are familiar to your local birds and are likely to draw them in. Besides adding a touch of natural beauty to your garden, these plants offer sustenance and shelter for our feathered friends. Think berries, seeds, and nectar-rich flowers. Consider, too, shrubs and trees that can serve as nesting sites. Remember, the right mix of native plants can turn your garden into a bustling bird hub. Birds, like all creatures, need food and water to survive. Providing a variety of food sources, such as bird feeders filled with different types of seeds, is crucial to attract diverse species. Fresh, clean water isn't just for drinking, it's their bathing spot too. Remember, cleanliness is key. Regularly replenish and clean these sources to ensure they're safe and inviting. A well-fed bird is a happy bird, and a happy bird is likely to return to your garden. Creating bird-friendly structures can also attract more birds to your garden. Consider making birdhouses or nesting boxes and placing them in quiet, safe spots. These provide shelter and a place to raise chicks. In addition, don't be too quick to remove dead trees or branches. These can serve as natural nesting sites, offering an authentic habitat. With the right structures, your garden can become a safe and welcoming place for birds. Attracting birds to your garden doesn't have to be complicated. With the right plants, food, water, and bird-friendly structures, you'll not only help the environment but also add a touch of nature's melody to your garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy bird watching!